It's one of my favorite times of the year, and that means it's time to decorate for Christmas. But first, we gotta take all of this stuff down. If you're new around here, make sure that you click that subscribe button, click that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a new video, and that like button so that you can like this video and help us out a lot. You guys, it is Christmas season, and it is the most wonderful time of the year, and you know, if you are not new around here, that we go all out for Christmas. And I love to decorate this house, and we're gonna do things a little bit differently this year, and I am super excited to take you guys along. So first though, we have to take down all this fall decor. That's gonna take a little bit of time, so we better get started. I've taken down all of the fall stuff, and I've also taken down most of our like normal decorations that are up non-holiday times. So now it's time to bring up 30 boxes of Christmas up 2 flights of stairs. It's time to get a workout in. Let's get started.
All right, so as you can see here, Crystal has completed getting all her tubs, her decorations, everything from the basement. Oh my gosh. She was not exaggerating when she said she has all these tubs. She said she was dripping with sweat when she got done carrying these upstairs. But now comes the fun part for her. She gets to begin putting all of this out. All right, so update. We have quite a few tubs opened, quite a few things spread out all throughout this part of our home. But it all has a purpose and it all has a place. It's just a matter of going through all this stuff and finding the purpose and the place. We're making progress. This is actually a lot better than when I came home from the grocery store, because there was stuff everywhere when I came home from that. Now at least it's organized. So, making progress. Crystal's up here in the front room. Looks like she is going to start decorating one of the tables in here.
To move this stuff, but I'm going to tackle the banister now. I'm actually kind of nervous about it because every year I have done the banister, and I love the banister. It's like, it looks so beautiful when it's done, but I usually wrap it and it's really damaging to our beautiful banister. So this year we're tying it, and I did buy these ties. Let me show you. I bought these ties that are just these. And so I used them a little bit last year. It's just a little bit more time consuming than wrapping it around the banister, but it is so much better for the banister. So it just takes longer, but it's time to do it. All right, I've got them done. These banisters done. I just have to go, and so I have this banister here, and then the far one, and then I just have to do the top here. So Very exciting. It's coming together. And the tying worked. It looks a little bit different, but it works. It looks cute. It looks rustic, which is what we like. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, it's bad lighting, but I just want to show you the basis of the mantle because I'm really excited about it this year. And I just got these cathedral window panes in, and these are going to stay up all year, and I absolutely love them. And then the wreath, and I actually decorated the wreath, you just can't see it, but I'll show that to you tonight. And now I'm going to put all of the little Disney figurines on the mantle. It is day 3 of Christmas decorating, and we are almost finished. We are in the home stretch. All I have to do is the mantle and then the 2 Christmas trees. So I still have to bring the Christmas trees up and obviously still decorate the mantle. But I also have to get in a 20-mile run today, so it's going to be quite the day. And then, of course, there's some little things I have to put out still, some little gift boxes and stuff like that, but a lot of those go around the Christmas trees, so pretty simple. But I'm loving how it's looking this year. This is probably my favorite Christmas decorating I've ever done. So I'm absolutely loving it. It looks so pretty. We have to have people over so they can see it because I just love it so much.
All right, well, it is, I think, the 4th day of decorating that we've done like little bits and pieces here of decorating. We're getting almost done. Crystal just got this from Etsy. She got this made for our dogs because we call Santa Claus Santa Paws for them. So she had that made, and she had it perfectly made to fit on this wall. I love that. And we just got Christmas tree number 1. This goes in our TV room, living room where we watch TV. Then over here is our big tree. This is our 12-foot tree. It comes in 2 bags. It's beautiful, but it is big, large, and a lot to put together. So we're gonna get this put together today, hopefully. We're gonna get them both up today, and then we'll probably decorate some tonight and tomorrow, but for you guys, it'll all be in one video. So like I said, we've just been doing bits and pieces as we go, and by Thanksgiving, we're gonna have the whole house decorated.
All right, I got the tree up. Well, the first tree up, the main tree up. And all the lights are working, which is always a plus. And now it is time to put the very first ornament on the tree. And Bryson just got me this ornament, or got us this ornament. And it's from my favorite Disney movie. And we are going to put it on the tree together. Got to put him front and center. Oh, look how cute. Do you see Bianca and Bernard in there? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, we didn't get too many ornaments this year, but we did get one on each cruise. So I'll go through those. So we got this 2022 ear hat ornament, which Bryson said he knew, but I didn't know. It lights up. How fun. And it has Cruise Mickey and Cruise Minnie, and then it has ship on the back. I love this ornament. I think it's really cool. This ornament is awesome. We got this in Alaska, and it has a moose on it, and these are hand carved. I just love them. We thought that was absolutely perfect. And then we got this one on our British Virgin Islands cruise. This is from Tortola, and it's really funny. It's like a Santa, beach Santa. And then we did pick up the Fab 5 50th anniversary ornaments, so those are new as well. So these are gingerbread ornaments that you can get at the Grand Floridian. You buy them in the gingerbread house that is life size. And this is the very first one we got. I cannot tell you what year we got it in, but it's still surviving even though it has a crack. And we are going to continue to put it up until it breaks. And then we got this one last year for the 50th. And it's kind of funny because it was our very last day in Disney for our Christmas trip. And we went to the gingerbread house, and they had sold out of just the ornaments, so we had to buy this like huge box of goodies of like gingerbread and stuff, which, you know, complain, we ate it all, so couldn't have been that bad. But yes, and then I do spray these with like a lacquer so that they last longer.
And with the topping of our Mickey Santa hat, our what we call our Disney tree or our memory tree is all done. As Crystal was showing you, we got all these ornaments from all these different trips, all these different memories, all these different events. So that's why I always call it our memory tree. But she's all decorated. And this year, we put up a fence. I put a fence around the tree because we have a dog that likes to play with a ball, and we don't need a ball going under the tree. So anyway, there is Christmas tree 1 of 2. Tomorrow, we're gonna do the big tree. All right, so we just kind of started putting it up without letting you know. But the big red bags for our 12-foot tree are empty. There's a couple pieces. There's my wife. There's the top of the tree.
We got 2 pieces
So far, we got 2 pieces in. Going good. This is actually better than any year prior because even though we've had it for 5 years, it took us until last year to figure out how to do it in order.
Tell them why.
Even though we have instructions. So the instructions, where are the instructions? We're going to find them. So the instructions, if you can see here, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Crystal labeled them the first year we got this tree. I didn't pay attention or see anything. I just figured she was labeling them, whatever. She labeled them 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I kept going in order off of these instructions every year. Could never figure out why the tree wasn't working out. Finally, last year I realized she labeled them wrong, only 5 years later. So anyway, tree is going up. We'll show you once we have it standing and the fluffing process begins, because this tree, you spend a lot of time fluffing. All right, and there is our Balsam Hill Christmas tree. Crystal's down here, already getting the fluffing on it. Let me tell you, this thing, like the top piece, one part of it was like, I don't know, it got smashed in storage or something because it was like flat on one side. So she does this, and then she says that she fluffs, and like tomorrow I'll go through and I'll refluff because I'm a perfectionist. I don't think you're fluffy at all. So anyway, she's laughing if you can't hear her off the mic. But there's the tree. This is what we call our pretty tree because we have like color matching ornaments and everything we put on it. So we'll show you all of it when we're done. All right, well, it is a few days later. It's actually the day before Thanksgiving. As you can see, the sun's out. Last time we showed you this, it was dark. Tree, still not decorated, but it is fluffed. All the lights work. There's like this one spot on the tree Crystal found where like we are not allowed to touch it. So if we touch it, that section of lights go out. We're gonna be very careful there. It's like right there. It's like that branch right there. But let me show you what we got for ornaments, and we're gonna get this tree all decorated and get this decorating vlog finished up. So as I was saying, this tree is like our pretty tree is what we call it. We have all of these Christmas balls that we bought, these Christmas ball ornaments that we bought at Hobby Lobby. I mean, this whole thing's like 10 bucks, I think, when they're on sale. Like a really good deal. Just some different little sparkly, like we got these churches down here that we hang on there, some snowflakes, some angels. Right down there you can see we got some really nice Christmas Disney ball ornaments that we got a couple years ago on our Christmas trip. And then over here, some more of those Christmas balls. And then we got some different ones with Santa. Those ones are filled with ribbon. They're really nice and shiny. And then we got these last year on our Christmas trip. As you can see, they are Mickey silhouettes with Donald, Goofy, Mickey, and Minnie. I'm gonna go ahead, get this tree decorated, and I will show you when we're all done. All right, it took a little bit of time, but there it is. There is the pretty Christmas tree we do, all decorated. Crystal and I teamworked this one. She does the very top. This tree does not have a tree topper. We cannot find a tree topper for this that fits this thing. So we just let it be up there, free, no problem. I love this tree. Growing up, I wanted to have a tree that was my pretty tree with like all color coordinate ornaments like we're showing you here. So that's why I call it the pretty tree. It was a dream of mine to have one my whole life growing up. And now I do. And the ornaments are all just from Hobby Lobby. Super cheap, super easy, and they look very pretty. Anyway, there is our big tree. All right, folks, well, that is going to wrap up our decorating video of all of our Christmas decorations. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's been quite the journey decorating this year. As you can see behind me, Crystal did a beautiful job. I will say my part, which was putting trees together and hanging like 30 ornaments and putting anything that was really tall up, I think I did a great job. Now, I know I said this video is over, but don't leave, because we are ending this video with a before and after of all of our decorations. So there's a lot of decorations that aren't in this video that are going to be in the time lapse that I show you of all of our decorations. Plus, we didn't do a fall decorating video. A lot of our fall decor will be in that video. So stick around. Thank you all so much from the bottom of our hearts. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season, a Merry Christmas. Hope your Thanksgiving was great. But most of all, thank you all so much for stopping by. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.